Yeah. I went to Chicken Man, ordered their chicken man jollof rice plus the 3-piece chicken wing. It feels like very nice, delicious. The jollof rice is very, very nice. Like, I reach it 10 over 10. Guys, the chicken man jollof rice is very nice. So I ordered the chicken man jollof rice plus the 3-piece chicken. I totally recommend it. It's very delicious. Like a 10 over 10, 100%. Yeah, I'm yet to taste the chicken though. I'm checking for the time, like if it's recording, because sometimes the phone just goes off, like as in it becomes full, my memory becomes full, like I check from time to time. So if you see pause, that's the reason. Yeah. I'm sorry you can't see the rice. I don't know. I'm sorry, like I am trying my best. Yummy. I'm going to try it with it. I mean, it's not shito, it's I don't know what to call it, guys. It's green pepper, yeah. It's a sauce, yeah. You should have someone who likes like ginger, green pepper. Oh, this sauce is for you. To be honest, I like the jollof rice. Yeah. I prefer eating the jollof rice alone than adding the pepper. I don't know. Yeah. I made the jollof rice again. I said it's 10 over 10. I'm here to try the chicken. There are some pieces left. I don't know. I'm so nervous. There's some pieces of chicken here, so let me try it. Honestly, I'm going to try the chicken. So that you can post it in and then. Sorry, I can pause recording and then continue. I'm recording it. Yeah. So I'm going to try this. So this is the chicken wing, yeah. There. 10 over 10, jollof rice, 10 over 10. The chicken wing, 10 over 10. Very nice. Yeah, I recommend. This is the chicken man. Yeah, I ordered their jollof rice. Chicken and jollof rice and the 2-piece chicken wing. Yeah. Wait for the second bite. So I'm going to end the recording here because I want to eat. So thank you for watching. This is Jasmine's branch. Yeah. So meet again.